cutting it. We can do it with just a little scissors. This big one. Because look, when I cut this, I'm just cutting. It will be delicious. I just cut this. Now look, the meowing, it looks like this. Wow! Wow! What? They're fighting. They're acting like bad kittens. Now I need this scissors. Look, I made designs there. You can see. I am coming, Daddy. Wait. Baba. Baba. Baba.
Start.
Now my dad's cutting the pineapple, and that will be really tasty. Can you give me a piece, Daddy? Take one of the pencils. Nice. That's super tasty. Then when my dad finished, then I will cut that part, the inner part. Is it done, Daddy?
Almost. When I test it.
I will cut it first.
Wait. Oh, first. Wash my hands.
You need to wash. Oh.
How it looks like then.
Now I can cut these.
Look how it looks like.
It looks like fun.
Is it yummy?
Can I cut it? Can I cut it now, Daddy?
No, sir.
I want to cut it.
No.
Can I?
No. Say something about this.
Now we will cut with this knife. I need to wash my hands first. Now, everyone go away. I want to cut.
With this knife.
I don't want to cut with this knife. Now I'm cutting, guys. I just cut like this.
Nope.
With this, I will do.
Yes.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Now I can do with these. Okay. Where is the egg?
Also.
Can I cut these, Daddy?
Nope. We have to decorate it.
We can eat it like this.
Wait.
Let me cut one. It's not cutting. Daddy, it's not cutting.
Oh, you are taking this reverse side. Take it. Yes.
Oh, okay. One piece done, two pieces done.
First test it. Yummy or not?
Is it nice, baby?
Yes.
Okay, come here. I'll cut more. Still not cutting.
Let's try with this knife.
Let's try with this knife. Oh, wow. Yes, you look like a ninja.
Yes.
Why? I'm not eating it. I want to eat, Daddy.
Okay.
You're making cubes?
Yes, I'm making cubes. Put it here. And take a fork.
I'm trying it. I'm gonna try, guys. I'm gonna really give you. Sorry.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yummy and tasty?
It's not coming in. Yeah. A little bit hard. That's a little bit.
How does it looks like?
Some salt can have it.
Yes, you can add some salt.
Guys, you can add some salt if you want. It's like
Add lots of salt.
to this. Wanna try a cookie?
Yes. Oh, you try first. Juicy.
Look. And put it like this. And then put that. Nice. Thanks for watching. Pineapple at home. It's really delicious and healthy. If you like this video, click the button down below. Bye bye and see you again next time. Let's eat pineapple. It's really healthy and nice to put in your skin, Daddy.